Welcome to this 2006 35 Chaparral twin diesel with bow thruster, beautiful express boat. Windlass, remote spotlight, impeccable gel coat, doesn't look like the boat's ever been used, no scratches, isinglass is in good shape. And here's a plus flexi teak, synthetic teak on the swim platform. Fully enclosed with a big, huge plastic window on the back. Cockpit shower, hot and cold. Remote for the stereo as you walk in off the swim step. Command helm with seating for two more off to the port side. Walk-through windshield. Lounge here in the aft with a table. Fold-away seating. Should seat another 6 to 8 people. Full complement of Raymarine electronics, E-Series, which are the upgrades. Remote spotlight, Sirius satellite radio option, VHF radio. Anchor is remote from here, bow thruster. Again, that walk-through window is key. Wet bar area here. Walking down a step into the interior of the boat. Large dinette of ultra leather. Huge master forward stateroom. Looks to be in great shape. Cherry wood cabinetry, tap and microwave oven, cooktop, isotherm refrigerator, teak and holly floor. Oh, complete with army men. Air conditioning and heat, generator, inverter, large TV, pack and play. Now the pack and play is optional. Goes with the family. That aft cabin turned into a full-size berth. Give Bayport Yachts a call, 949-631-0228, to take a look at this boat for yourself. Thank you.